There is a reason some women can wear the simplest outfit imaginable and still look far more expensive than someone wearing something louder, trendier, or technically more dressed up. Very often, it comes down to fabric. Because before the eye fully registers the cut, the brand, or the styling, it notices surface. It notices whether a fabric looks rich or flat, fluid or stiff, substantial or cheap. And that is exactly where most women get it wrong. They focus so much on the item itself that they overlook the material, even though the material is often the first thing determining whether the outfit looks elegant or ordinary. That is why rich women pay so much attention to fabric. They understand that expensive style is not created by decoration. It is created by quality you can see before anyone explains it. The surface of the garment, the way it moves, the way it holds shape, the way it catches light, all of that changes the message of an outfit immediately. So in this video, we are going through 5 fabrics rich women always wear to look expensive and why they work so well. Because once you understand which materials create that elevated effect, your wardrobe becomes much easier to edit. You stop buying pieces that only look good online and start choosing fabrics that actually make you look better in real life. The first fabric is wool. This may be one of the most important fabrics in any elegant wardrobe because it has structure, softness, and visual depth all at once. Good wool gives clothing a certain seriousness. Trousers fall better. Blazers hold shape more beautifully. Coats look more substantial. Knitwear looks richer. Even simple silhouettes gain more authority when the fabric underneath them has weight and integrity. What makes wool look expensive is the way it behaves. It does not collapse in a weak way, and it does not cling awkwardly to the body. It creates a cleaner outline, which makes the whole outfit feel more composed. That is one of the reasons rich women wear it so often. It makes clothing look resolved, and it works across so many categories: tailoring, outerwear, fine knits, skirts, trousers. In each case, the fabric gives the garment more presence without needing anything loud. That is exactly what expensive style does best. The second fabric is silk. Silk has a very particular kind of elegance because it combines softness with refinement. It moves beautifully, it reflects light gently, and it brings instant polish to even the simplest shape. A silk blouse, a silk skirt, a silk scarf, or even just silk details close to the face can change the whole tone of an outfit very quickly. What makes silk look so expensive is not shine in the obvious sense. It is the way the surface looks alive. It catches light with softness instead of glare. It adds fluidity without looking limp, and that is a difficult effect to imitate with cheaper fabrics, which is why real silk still stands out. Rich women wear silk because it makes outfits feel more elevated without adding heaviness. It brings grace into the look. It softens sharper pieces and refines simpler ones. And when it is used well, it gives the entire outfit a more luxurious rhythm. The third fabric is cashmere. Cashmere is one of the clearest luxury fabrics because it looks soft before you even touch it. That softness changes the way the whole outfit is perceived. It makes knitwear feel quieter, more elevated, and much more expensive than standard basics made from flatter, rougher, or thinner yarns. What makes cashmere so powerful is that it gives comfort and elegance at the same time. It feels gentle, but it never feels lazy. It adds warmth, but still looks light. And because the surface is so fine, it creates a very polished version of ease. This is why rich women often rely on cashmere in pieces they wear repeatedly. Sweaters, cardigans, wraps, softer layers that sit close to the body and instantly make everything else around them feel more refined. Cashmere does not need styling tricks to look luxurious. The material itself is already saying enough. The fourth fabric is linen. Now, this is one most women misunderstand, because linen can look incredibly expensive, but only when it is the right kind of linen and used in the right way. Poor linen can look creased, limp, and careless. Good linen looks airy, relaxed, and refined. It has body, it has breathability, it moves naturally, and it gives an outfit that very beautiful sense of ease that so many wealthy women dress with in warmer weather. What makes linen so elegant is that it never looks like it is trying too hard. It creates softness through movement and texture. It allows the body to breathe, and that lightness reads as confidence when the cut and color are right. Rich women wear linen because it feels effortless but still cultivated. It is one of the best fabrics for achieving that old money balance between polish and ease. The key is that the garment should still have shape. Linen looks strongest when it is well cut, in calm colors, and given enough structure to feel intentional rather than undone. The fifth fabric is suede. This one is especially important because it adds luxury in a quieter way than polished leather often does. Suede has softness, depth, and a matte richness that immediately makes an outfit look more sophisticated. Whether it appears in shoes, bags, jackets, belts, or small finishing details, it tends to make everything around it look more expensive. What makes suede so powerful is the surface. It absorbs light instead of bouncing it back harshly, which gives it a much more subtle and refined presence. It feels rich without looking flashy. And that is one of the reasons rich women wear it so often. It suggests quality without having to announce itself. Suede also works beautifully with the kinds of palettes elegant wardrobes usually rely on. Browns, creams, camel, navy, olive, charcoal, soft neutrals. It adds texture while staying calm, and that combination is one of the strongest visual markers of expensive style. If you step back and look at all 5 fabrics together, they all have something important in common. They create depth. None of them look flat. None of them feel overly synthetic. None of them rely on loud prints, embellishment, or obvious fashion tricks to make an impact. What they do instead is make simple clothing look stronger, more substantial, more polished, more believable. And that is exactly what most women miss. They think an outfit looks expensive because the design is expensive. But often, the bigger difference is the material. A very simple garment in the right fabric can look far richer than a more dramatic piece in the wrong one, because fabric affects everything. The line of the garment, the surface of the outfit, the way it moves, the way it photographs, the way it ages. That is why rich women pay attention to it so carefully. They know that if the fabric looks cheap, the outfit will struggle to look expensive no matter how well it is styled. But when the fabric is right, even the most minimal look begins to feel elevated. This is also why elegant wardrobes often look calmer than trend-driven ones. The richness is coming from surface and quality, not from noise. A well-cut wool trouser, a silk blouse, a cashmere knit, a linen dress, a suede shoe. None of these need much help. The materials are already doing the work. So if you want your wardrobe to look more expensive, this is one of the smartest places to begin. Start paying attention not just to the silhouette, but to the fabric. Ask whether the material adds depth, softness, structure, or movement. Ask whether it makes the outfit look richer before any accessories are added. Ask whether the piece still feels elevated when all logos, trends, and styling tricks are stripped away. Because that is how rich women dress. They do not rely on visual clutter. They rely on better materials, and that is why their clothes often look expensive even when the outfit itself is very simple. So, if I had to reduce the whole idea to one sentence, it would be this. Rich women look expensive because they wear fabrics that already carry elegance in their surface, weight, and movement. Once you understand that, you start shopping differently, and that changes everything. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more elegant style and timeless wardrobe advice. And let me know in the comments which fabric always feels the most luxurious to you. I'll see you in the next one.